How my youngest cat, Punky Brewster, she's 1 year old, likes this treat. It's from Farm to Pet. They gave it to me to try. We have the fish crumbles. All their treats are 1 ingredient only. Like, this is just straight up walleye. And she seems to be getting very excited about it. Let's see what she thinks. What you think, Punky? She seems really interested. And it is, I believe it's freeze dried. It's wild caught. It's 1 ingredient only. And even though it is dried, it's not crumbly like some of the other cat treats that I've gotten. So she can easily pick it up, and she really seems to be enjoying these treats.